Hi, I'm dear friends, and this is Filmora. And let's say you want to do a video with a transparent background. You have some images, PNG images, let's drag and drop them, and do it like there is a girl and a small nice butterfly next to the girl. Okay, and for example, the butterfly is moving. It was here, and at the end of the time period it will be here, for example. Let's see, something like this. So we have a movie and it has to have a transparent background, but if you will export it like that, you will get a movie with black background. So in order to use it with a transparent background, we have to add some background, for example green or blue, which will be easily removed in any editor by using chroma key. So we're importing green background, and under our images on the very bottom, and this way it will be like background, we're putting it, and now we're exporting our movie, our clip. That's it. Thank you.